Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Salesforce AppExchange apps for lead routing, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Salesforce AppExchange website. Once on the homepage, use the search bar to type in specific keywords related to lead routing apps. Browse through the search results to find an app that meets your needs. Click on the app name to access its detailed listing page. Review the app description, features, and customer reviews to ensure it aligns with your requirements. Check the compatibility information to confirm that it works with your version of Salesforce. To download the app, look for the Get It Now button on the app listing page and click on it. You will be prompted to log into your Salesforce account if you are not already logged in. Enter your Salesforce credentials and click on the Login button. After successfully logging in, you will see options for installation. Choose whether to install the app in your production environment or in a sandbox environment for testing. If you opt for the sandbox, select the appropriate sandbox environment. Read and accept any terms of service or agreements that appear on screen. Click on the Confirmation button to proceed with the installation. Salesforce will then lead you through a series of prompts to complete the installation process. Once the installation is complete, you will receive a confirmation notification. You can access the app from the app launcher in your Salesforce org. Open the app to begin configuring settings that relate to lead routing. Follow any additional setup instructions provided by the app developer for optimal functionality. Test the app to ensure it's working correctly before fully integrating it into your lead management process. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing feedback. Continue to monitor the app's performance and make updates as needed. This completes the process of downloading Salesforce AppExchange apps for lead routing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.